Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into the ultimate gaming machine of 2025, the Alienware Area 51 desktop. Is this the most powerful PC Alienware has ever built? Let's find out. The Alienware Area 51 is back and it's bigger, bolder, and more powerful than ever before. Launched in early 2025. This gaming beast is designed for hardcore gamers and creators who want nothing but the best. Starting with the design, the Area 51 desktop features an all-new 80-liter chassis. It's massive, but for good reason. The case supports ATX motherboards, advanced liquid cooling, and even future GPU upgrades. The front panel has customizable RGB lighting, while two less side panels make upgrading components easy. Under the hood, you can pack it with Intel's Core Ultra 9 processors and NVIDIA's RTX 5090 GPU. That means insane frame rates at 4K or even 8K gaming, real-time ray tracing, and AI-enhanced graphics. Combine that with up to 128GB DDR5 RAM and blazing fast PCIe Gen 5 storage, and you've got yourself a true monster. The Area 51 doesn't hold back on connectivity either. With Thunderbolt for Wi-Fi 7 and multiple USB-C ports, it's future-proof for years to come. And let's not forget about Alienware Command Center, which gives you total control over performance profiles and RGB effects. The Alienware Area 51 desktop starts at around $3,249 for the base configuration and can go up to $5,000 plus for the fully loaded version. It's available now on Dell's website and select retailers worldwide. So, is the Alienware Area 51 the ultimate gaming rig for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Talk, and ring the bell for more epic tech updates.